Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a wig from ISEE Hair. Finally, your girl is going to be working with some color. This is the reddish brown wig and it has like a layered cut. It's the 6x4 lace. So I showed you guys the goodies that they sent over in a package. Now let's get into this wig. As you guys can see, the hairline is already plucked. It looks really nice. This is the cap. You get 2 clips on the side, you get an adjustable strap, and you get these removable clips in the back. So that's pretty cool. If you don't feel like having it, you can definitely remove it. This wig is 20 inches and it has the ear shape design, which is really nice because that contours to your head, so it's not uncomfortable when you're wearing a wig. It just goes around your ear, and later on in the video I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm wearing it. It just makes it like really comfortable to wear the wig. This is the 3D cap design, so that helps the lace lay flat and nice and snug to your hairline, so that's a pretty comfortable wear as well. I'm just starting by putting on the wig, and then I'm going to add my foundation to the lace, and then I'm going to add the powder to make sure that it's nice and set in there. Then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and flatten that little part area and then define it, because I like for my part to be a little bit longer as well. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and I'm going to make sure that whole little middle part is nice and flat. Next, I'm just gonna run over the hair with my flat iron, getting any bumps or lumps or anything else out and just giving it that nice smooth finish. It was already straight when it came, but I'm just like getting any bumps or anything that it may have had in the packaging. And I find that even if the hair is already straight, and when you go over it with the flat iron, it just gives it like some extra movement, some extra flow, or some silkiness or something like that. So I'm not like really going in any order. I'm just like pulling out little pieces and flat ironing and smoothing the hair. Alright y'all, so this was the easiest install because I'm done. That's all it took. All I had to do was add a little bit of powder to my hairline and then flat iron the hair, and I'm done. I didn't have to cut the hair or anything because it already has a layered cut. As you guys can see, it's like layers, so it already frames my face and it just like really looks really nice and cute already. So I'm glad I didn't have to do anything to that. The color of this hair is absolutely gorgeous. As you guys can see, it just looks really good on my skin tone and pretty much anybody else's skin tone. I'm showing you guys what the ear part looks like. As you can see, it's not pressing down on my ear. My ear can breathe. I don't have to worry about the wig smushing or anything. This is what the wig looks like from the back. Like I said, this color is just really pretty, and so is the cut. So if you guys like this wig, definitely check it out. I will have the links down below in the description, and if they have any discount codes, y'all know 'tis the season to go wig shopping, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much, ISEE Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't step on the trip.